Hello, 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 everybody. My name is Dee from Sarah Designs. Welcome back to our channel. Today, if you watched the last one, you saw the last video, you saw me make these. They're still on my desk. They're still here because we just had my dad's funeral on Saturday. And yeah, I'm kind of out of sorts. But anyway, I'm just not feeling like in the crafty mood, but I want to do something crafty. So I was playing with making tags, these little tab thingies, tabby tabs, the things that go on the side of things. See what I'm saying? So I wanted to make whale tags, but I don't have a whale tag punch. And I'm not buying another punch because I'm on a no spend thing with my crafty friend Wanda. And I think a friend of hers is doing it also. So there's a couple of us doing it now. And if you guys want to join us, you're more than welcome. What we're doing is we are not spending any money on anything extra. If you run out of glue or ink, if you run out of something you already have, you can replace it. If you run out of white cardstock, you can replace it. But you can't buy something new. You can't say, hey, I need this punch, but I need it in 2 inches. So you go and buy a 2-inch punch. Nope. Or I want this, but in a different color. Nope. Not allowed. We're doing this until I think it's the beginning of September. Wanda has a date. I don't know. So far, it's working out okay. The idea is to use what we have. If you need a 2-inch punch, find something else that takes the place of a 2-inch punch, like a circle die or a circle die. So I would very much rather have a punch than the die because you have to run it through. I'm a lazy crafter. But I use this instead. Use what you have is the idea. So anyway, whale tags. I love the look of a whale tag. I think they're cool looking. You can't see it on there. I like them. But I don't have a whale tag punch, and I can't buy one. I wouldn't anyway. I have no more room. We're busting at the seams. But I did manage to make these by using what I have. I do have punches. I'll show you how I made these too. I'm just going to show you real quick. If you hear something in the background, it's my printer. I'm printing some stuff. All you do, easy peasy. First, let's make these first. This, you guys see? You see what I'm doing? Let's get this out of the way so it's not distracting to you. I'm just going to take this, as big as you want it, as wide as you want it, whatever you want to do. This is almost 2 inches by 1.5 inches. It doesn't matter. Make it the size you want it or you need it for your project. Fold it in half. So we have a square. We're going to fold it in half. Okay. Then you can do one of a couple things. You can take a little round hole punch. This is a little baby one. Or you could take one of these from the Dollar Tree. $1.25. I would take this piece off if you're going to do this because it's hard to see where you're putting it, but I don't need to do that because I have this little punch. Put my glasses on, and you're going to go to the part that's folded. See how that's folded? Fold it in half. Now you want to line this up the exact same way on both sides. On these punches, you have like little lines here and there, so you can probably try to figure out how to line it up properly. Boom, turn it over. Hopefully it matches up perfectly. There you go. You got yourself a little punch. If you want, you can even make it a little more rounder. You can round off your ends here. Whatever you want to do. You can. That's an easy one. There's a gazillion different ways to make these tabs. I was just trying to find an easy way to do the whale punch, and I think I found it. But anyway, that's tab number 1. So see, you can make it as thin, as wide, whatever. That's that. I also did it in that. That's that. Okay. Here's the main one I wanted to do. Take a circle. I'm going to use my 1.5 inch punch. You can use a 2 inch punch or whatever. I've only done it with the 1.5 inch punch so far. But you know what? We will try it with a 2 inch punch. I think I have. Is this a 2 inch punch or a 3? This might be a 3 inch punch. So I need a 2 inch punch. But anyway. Let's just make a big one too. I need to spray some WD-40 on mine. Again, you don't need a punch. You could use a circle die. You can use a bottle or a glass. Go around it, trace around it, and then cut if you're good at cutting, if you don't have the punches. Okay, all you gotta do fold it in half. Fold this little guy in half. I folded them both in half. I used my thingy to crease them. Okay, then you're going to take I used this bigger one. This was 1.5. This is 1 inch. And just take it, fold it. It's folded now. Get in there, line it up just so. What I do with mine is I line up this end here and then this one, the bottom here. Some people like to go all the way into the middle little circle there. You do you. Punch. Flip it. Do the same thing. You get this. Okay? You can leave it like that if you'd like. I like to round off this end, the bottom, the folded part. Very little roundy. And then you can round off this end too, so it's not so pointy. Some people just cut them straight off. You can leave them on if you'd like. There you go. There's your whale tail. Whale tail. Cute, right? Let's do it. I haven't tried it on the big one yet, so let's maybe do it with the 1.5 inch one. I don't have any measurements in here, so I'm not quite sure how far to go in with this one. I'm scared. I did that far. if I'm going to continue doing them this big, I'm going to have to make some markings in here. Just so. Anyway, I think we did it. We made a big one. Again, you can leave it like that. Round off the edges. I wonder if we could do a punch. No. No. My corner rounder I was going to try. I was going to try it, but it won't fit. So, yeah, my dad's funeral, it was lovely. It was a lovely day. Everything came out okay, worked out okay. A little bit of drama, but that's what happens when you get family members around each other. But the cops were not called, so that was a success. Not that we ever had the cops called in ours. Never, ever, ever. But anyway, you can darken your edges a little bit. And there you go. Easy, easy. This was actually some circles that I had that the sides got flattened out. So I was like, oh, it was a print that the sides were messed up. So figure out how you want to do it. Put it in the middle, fold it in the middle. Boom, boom. Take a smaller circle. Jig it in. Squeeze, let that shoot across the room. It didn't shoot across the room. I see where it is. So I'll get it. I'll get it, don't worry. Boom, easy enough. Around the ends. See what this looks like if you just go straight up. Not bad, not bad. Now you have some whale tails. What do you think? Cool beaners, I just wanted to get on here and show you guys real quick because I'm in the middle of making some pirate paper. Some treasure paper. Okay, that's my video for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And I'll catch you in the next video. See, I found it. Told you I'd find it. I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.